Today, I'll show you how to switch from Metro by T-Mobile to T-Mobile. If you're considering making this change, you'll be pleased to know that the process is quite simple. This is mainly because both services operate on the same network, making the transition smooth and straightforward. To kick off this process, you'll need to head over to the T-Mobile app or their website. Alternatively, if you prefer speaking to someone directly, you can reach out to their customer support. This step is all about upgrading your service to a T-Mobile plan that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for more data, better perks, or just a different plan structure, T-Mobile offers a variety of options to choose from. One of the great things about switching from Metro to T-Mobile is that you can usually keep your current phone. This means there's no need to invest in a new device unless you're looking for an upgrade. Simply ensure that your phone is compatible with T-Mobile services, which is generally the case since both providers use the same network. Additionally, you'll be able to transfer your existing phone number to your new T-Mobile account. This is a huge convenience because you don't have to go through the hassle of notifying friends, family, and colleagues of a new number. Keeping your current number makes the transition seamless, allowing you to continue using your phone without any interruptions. Once your new plan is activated, your service will automatically move from Metro to T-Mobile. You'll start enjoying the benefits of your new plan right away. This activation usually happens quickly, but if you have any concerns or questions during the process, T-Mobile's customer support is there to assist you. And there you have it. That's how you switch from Metro by T-Mobile to T-Mobile. It's a straightforward process that lets you enjoy the benefits of T-Mobile's offerings with minimal effort. Whether you're looking for enhanced features or simply want to explore different plan options, switching is a great way to make the most of what T-Mobile has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to T-Mobile directly. Enjoy your new plan.